Welcome. So today I am with Xiaomi Mi Desktop Monitor 1C and I will show you how you can check serial number of this device. So unfortunately you cannot check it when you connect your monitor to your PC and go for the settings, but you can make it faster. So let's grab our monitor like that and let's put it to the back. Yeah, just like that. And as you can see, the serial number we can find on the right edge. It will be right here. Take a look. Oh yeah, here it is. I hope that you can see it. So yeah, that's how we can check your serial number of the Xiaomi Mi Desktop Monitor 1C. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.